Hey guys, Hardbox604 back doing another Toonie break. This is group break number 231, which is a box of 1112 Panini Titanium. This is box number 533. Good luck. Empty box. See if we got some. Oh, we got 2 thick packs. Nice. Nice. Cards on the background is for you to drool, by the way. Okay, let's see. Pack 1. We start with a game-worn gear for Boston. Tim Thomas. Oh my god, no, I didn't do the teams. Okay, that's okay. We'll do the teams after. I forgot to random the teams. Oh my god, that's
actually,
so funny.
Actually, that's not a bad idea.
I know. I've seen a few breakers do that after. So we'll just do it after, guys. Game worn gear for the Colorado Avalanche, TJ Gagliardi. And then you can hope what you got. We have a dual jersey game worn gear, number 145 of 300 for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Vinny LeCavalier and Dana Terrell. I just hope it's not a decoy. Base. Not bad for Tampa again. Draft day autograph. Brett Connolly. 94 of 99. And unfortunately, it is a decoy. I just realized they put these thick decoys in the 1011 product. Let's hope this one is not a decoy. Can't put 2 fat decoys, right? Yeah, they did. Base. Oh, nice hit for Colorado. Private signings. Rookie Gabriel Landeskog. Nice hit for the Avalanche. Gabriel Landeskog. Definitely a good box. So there you go, boys and girls. We're going to keep the camera rolling and we're going to go live. Do the randoms. This is the first time we're switching up the randoms. So you want to be Colorado, Tampa Bay, and Boston. Those will be the teams that you want to be in this one. So give me a sec. I had the randoms ready, as you see on the screen here, but I didn't do it. So here we go. 3 times each. Good luck. Once, twice, and 3 times. Kent on top, Shobo on the bottom. Paste. Now the teams. So Tampa, Colorado, and Boston are the 3 teams to be. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Once, twice, and the third and final. Good luck. And it is 3rd time. Nashville on top. Kings on the bottom. Ken has Nashville. Tyrell has Ottawa. White Balance has Winnipeg. Habs fan Montreal. Zero Hero Colorado. Zero Hero got the cards. Arash has Pittsburgh. Grocery Stick has Florida. Habs fan has Dallas, Carolina, Chicago, Buffalo, and Chicago. Sorry. D-Man has Buffalo and Phoenix. NB Cyclone has Columbus. D-Man has the Islanders. Lone Rangers has Anaheim. Habs fan has the Rangers. Sam has the Canucks. Arash has St. Louis. Grocery Stick has Boston. Habs fan has Detroit. Zero Hero has Toronto. Habspan has Calgary. Sam has Washington. Habspan has Edmonton, Minnesota. Shobo has Philly. D-Man has New Jersey. Habspan has Tampa and San Jose. Shobo has the Kings. So Habspan got the Tampa cards and Zero Hero got Colorado. Grocery Stick got Boston. These were the three teams. I don't know if you like that style or not, but this wasn't supposed to happen, but it did. So there you go, boys and girls. Thanks for watching.